Find the mean of the following distribution. This question has to be done by all the three methods. First, by the direct method. So class interval is given. We can see exclusive class intervals are there, which is overlapping, right? And then we need to find the class mark and then do it. For that, we will have to put a table in it, and the table is this one here. Now, so class interval 20 to 30, class mark will be 20 plus 30 divided by 2, which is 25. Here will be 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35, so on and so forth. So it will be the class mark. We'll find out the product of the frequency and the class mark here is 250. 6 into 35 210, 8 into 45 360, 12 into 55 660, 5 into 65 is 325, 9 into 75 is this much. Add all of these f into x, summation of that, and add all the frequency. We will use the formula, and the formula is, for direct method, the formula will be this one, that is mean is equal to summation of f into x upon summation of f. So we'll find the mean here direct. 2480 divided by 50, you get cancel here. So if you solve 248 divided by 5, how much we get? 248 divided by 5 will give you 49.6. So mean that we have got is 49.6. So this is the answer here for direct method. This is the direct method we are doing. Clear? Now we will do the same question by the other method. Let me put it. Same question that is being done by shortcut method. The only thing we have to extend is what we have to deviate the value after taking the assume mean. So we will take an assume mean is, say, 45 is the assume mean we have taken. Same table, fine, we have taken assume mean. We will deviate this x from the assume mean. 25 minus 45 is minus 20. 35 minus 45 is minus 10. 45 minus 45 is 0. 55 minus 45 is 10. Then 20, then 30. Now we will multiply this with the frequency, minus 200. Multiply this 600 with minus 6 with minus 10, it becomes minus 60. 8 with 0, 0 here. 12 in 10, 120. 5 with 20, 100. 9 into 30 is 2070. Add them up, you'll get 230 is a positive one here in it. This is positive. So again we will find, so the formula is mean is equal to sigma of fd, this is fd, upon sigma of f plus a in it. So mean here will be equal to, mean will be equal to sigma of fd is 230 plus upon 50 here, and plus what was I assuming, 45 here. This will get cancelled. So if you solve it, you will get what? If you do that, you find that 23 upon 5 is how much? So if you 23 divided by 5 will give you 4.6. So 4.6 plus 45, and you add 45 to it, it will become 49.6. So you see we got the same answer, 49.6. So any method you use, you will get the same answer. Now in the next method we have to do the step deviation, where we will be dividing it by the class size, which is 10 and 8. Okay, so this 200 become, sorry, the 20 will become 2, this will become 1, and so on and so forth. So 26 and all those things will happen here. So we'll just put the next table and we'll do that again. So you can see in this step deviation everything remains the same, but we have to deviate it with the same manner. We have taken what, say 45 as an assume mean, we took it in the earlier case also, and we deviated by, from the data we got here, minus 20, and then we will divide it by the class size. What is the class size? I here is equal to how much? I is equal to 30 minus 20, and that is equal to 10. So we have divided by I, which is 10. So when we divide by 10, what will happen? Minus 20 divided by 10 is minus 2. So minus 1, like that. Now we will multiply this t, this is what we got, t with the frequency, so it become minus 20, minus 6, 0, 12, and then it will be 2 or 23 now. So we use a formula here. So formula here will be mean is equal to summation of f, I and t upon summation of f, and then you multiply with the I because you divided it whole thing into plus a in it. So we'll put the value here. So mean here will be how much? 23 upon, that is 50 into 20 here. Sorry, 10. It was the class size is I is 10, and whatever comes you add it to 45. So if you see, it will get cancelled here. You again get the same thing. What was that you got? You got here 4.9, right? So 5 4s are 20, and 6 5 6 are 30, right? Plus 45. So that will give you what? How much? 49.6. It's the same thing that we got. See if we got it the same, 49.6, 49.6. So any method you use, you will get the same answer. The only thing you have to remember the three methods, the three formulas and the three methods, and you can be able to use it. Say this is the easiest method to find it out. It will minimize your calculation job in it. So you can go for it. It depends like what kind of question that you have got. Sometimes the questions are so easy that we don't need to go for all these. You can directly use the direct method, you can solve it. Okay. So anyhow, we have done the same question in 3 different ways, and these are the answers, the same answer we got.